Hello there future tech geniuses, welcome back to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. Today we are going to dive into something super exciting and out of this world. Have you heard about the word Metaverse? Well, stick till the end because you'll not only know what Metaverse is, but you'll also be ready to wow your friends with your tech savvy knowledge. So let's go. The Metaverse sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? But it is real and happening right now. It's like putting on these special glasses and suddenly you are in this whole new world. Whole new virtual world where you can play, learn and create with anyone around in the world. Okay, but how do you enter the Metaverse? Great question. Because you usually need a VR headset just like this one. It's like a super cool pair of glasses that will allow you to see and explore the virtual world. But guess what? You can also use your computer or tablet to join in on the fun. Now, why is everyone talking about the Metaverse? Because it's the future of how we connect, play, learn and have fun. Even big companies like Roblox, Minecraft and Fortnite are making their games part of the Metaverse. Who knows, in the future we can even have virtual schools. Imagine raising your hand in class and your teacher who is entirely in another country sees it immediately. Metaverse makes the world more smaller and much more connected. Fun fact time. Did you know that the word Metaverse was first used in a book 30 years ago, but now it has become real thanks to the new technology. Are you ready to explore the world of Metaverse one day? Maybe you'll create your own virtual world or even build something more awesome using your coding skills, which thanks to HackerKID by the way, where you can learn coding while playing games. If you're interested in this, check out the link in the description box. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and until next time, keep dreaming big and coding away. Bye!